1. There are approximately 3,400 snake species in the world, out of which only about 600 are venomous. Out of those 600 venomous snakes, only 200 pose a serious threat to humans. 2. Snakes have one of the highest occurrences of polycephaly, a rare condition of having more than one head. There have been many cases of two-headed snakes. The heads might fight each other for food. 3. Snakes are believed to have evolved from four-legged reptilian ancestors, between 112 and 94 million years ago. Some snakes, such as pythons and boas, still have traces of back legs. 4. The muscles that cause a rattlesnake's rattle to shake are some of the fastest known, firing 50 times per second on average, sustained for up to 3 hours. 5. Native to tropical rainforests of South America, the green anaconda is considered the heaviest and largest snake in the world. It can reportedly exceed 227 kilograms in weight and reach almost 9 meters in length. 6. Also known as the western taipan, the small-scaled snake, or the fierce snake, the inland taipan is the most venomous snake in the world. It is estimated that one bite from this Australian snake possesses enough lethality to kill at least 100 full-grown men. 7. Venomous snakes kill about 90,000 people around the world each year. Yet, they are far from being the deadliest animals. Mosquitoes, for example, cause over 1 million human deaths annually. 8. When startled, frightened, or threatened, the Sonoran coral snake will hide its head under its body and raise and tightly curl its tail. While in this posture, it will then fart noisily. 9. The decapitated head of a dead snake can still bite even several hours after death. In fact, such bites often contain large amounts of venom. 10. Historically, snake bites were seen as a means of execution in some cultures. In medieval Europe, a form of capital punishment was to throw people into snake pits, leaving them to die from multiple venomous bites. 11. Some snakes can survive without food for up to 2 years by reducing their energy expenditure. One scientific study even suggests that snakes can digest their own hearts when starved for too long.